Let's now look at few-shot prompting. So what is it? It's a technique where you provide the AI with a few examples of input-output pairs before asking it to generate a response for a new input. This helps the model learn the pattern or structure needed to produce more accurate and relevant results. So it is a middle ground between zero-shot and fine-tuning. And fine-tuning is what involves retraining the model with large datasets. So how does it work? Give the model a few examples. These demonstrate the expected format, tone, and logic. Then provide a new query. The model applies the learned pattern to generate an appropriate response. Examples of few-shot prompting. So language translation, instead of just saying translate this into Spanish, you provide some examples. So translate this following in English phrases into Spanish. So hello, hola, thank you, gracias, how are you? And good morning. So now we're asking for what should be good morning. Why it works? The model recognizes the translation pattern and is more likely to provide an accurate response, which is buenos dias in this case. So next prompt, classify the following reviews as positive, neutral, or negative. So give it some examples, and then the final one, the food was fantastic, the staff was friendly. Is it positive or negative? So it's sentiment analysis. If you ask the AI to determine the sentiment of a sentence without examples, it might not be consistent. In this case, it will be consistent. Why it works? The AI learns the sentiment classification pattern and applies it consistently. Text summarization. When summarizing text, giving a few structured examples always improves accuracy. So you give some examples of how you are going to summarize. So following articles in just one sentence. Scientists discover new exoplanet with Earth-like conditions. A newly found exoplanet may have Earth-like conditions. So AI follows the example formats and making summaries concise and accurate. Code generation. So in few-shot prompting can help generate structured code snippets by demonstrating the expected input-output relationship. So what you are inputting, hello world, to print hello world. Enter your name, print this, your code is. So the AI learns the structure of a print statement and applies it correctly in the response. Email writing. So in this case also, then you have give some prompts, write polite customer support responses. So you provide a few examples. And why it works is because the AI follows the tone, empathy, and structure shown in the previous responses. So why does it work well? Better accuracy, AI follows patterns and reduces randomness. There is more control that you guide the output using without requiring complex instructions. Adaptability works well across different domains like coding, writing, and analysis. So no need for model fine-tuning because unlike training on AI and AI on large data sets, you achieve results instantly by just tweaking the prompt. So next we'll look at chain of thought, COT prompting.